Hi, this is Dawn. I want to show you some interesting things about dates that you're going to run into when you're using Excel. My first tip I wanted to share with you is that there is a great little keystroke that I use all the time in Excel, and that is the control with the semicolon. And if I just do that on a cell where I want the result, it will drop in today's date. Another one I use for putting in today's date is a function. The today function will do that as well. If you do equals today, there I see it pop up in the list. I'm just going to double click it and enter that in. And there I also get today's date. I've got, I put a little shortcut there for you. So control with the semicolon or equal today. Those are great little features to know. Now I wanted to share something else with you about dates. When you have a list of dates, sometimes you're bringing in data from another source and dates come in really strangely. I want to show you it might just be the formatting. If you go on the Home tab to the formatting group and you change your dates to general, you see that there is what's called a serial number. That is behind the scenes of the date. And when you have something like that, this is what allows Excel to do the math behind the scenes. We see it formatted here like this, but what it actually is that number in the background. And what they did is they started with 1/1/1900, and when they created this date system on the computer, that was day number 1. So day number 2, January 2nd of 1900, and so on. And so all the formatting here is applied like that. Now, if I want to use my little trick, put in today's date here, I can actually do a calculation that tells me if I subtract this date from this, how many days ago was that? So I say equals this date minus this date, then I get an actual numbered result, 6,000 some odd days there. And what's happening is if I go behind the scenes, right, and I change all these to that general format, it's just taking that number minus that number. That's all it's doing. But you're used to seeing it formatted like this. Now I've got a few other tricks with dates I'll share with you. If you wanted to do a fill of a date, like let's say I put in today's date, there it is, and I want to autofill that down. I'm going to drag that autofill handle from the bottom right corner, and it gives me a series of dates. But sometimes I just want to copy that one date over and over. So look for your autofill options and change it so it's copy cells, and then you get the same date repeated. Or change your mind, go back to the series. Even better, if I put that number in and let's say I wanted to do a series where I'm picking up every Thursday. So let's say next Thursday is the March the 3rd. So I'll type in that date. And when March the 1st, when I do that, I've got a series. Now I'm going to grab that autofill handle with the 2 dates, the example of my series selected, and now I'm filling every Thursday date from that point forward. Really great stuff. I hope you can use some of these date features. I hope that makes some good sense to you.